Hey, who are you? Servo, stop it. What are you doing? Servo, for heaven's sake.
Hi, Mike. But Grandma! How did Grandma stop? Now, I told you no. Jeez, I'm sorry, Mike.
Wait a minute. This is your grandma?
Sure is, Mike. Isn't she spry?
When did you get a grandma?
I have two grandmas, Mike. I always have. The other one doesn't kill people, though. This one does. That's how I tell them apart. Now, Grandma, down, Grandma.
I guess it's okay. I mean, couldn't you get her a TV or something?
Hold on a second. What's that, Grandma? Big, slow, tempting target? Oh, believe me, I know, but you just can't, okay? Well, I tell you what, Mike. I'm just going to leave you two alone to start all over with each other, all right?
No, Servo, don't.
She's full of stories, Mike. Have a good time.
Hey, get away from me. We'll be right back. Back off, lady. What? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. What? Ow! Hey, lady, stop it! Stop it! Stop! Now back! Down!